In this video, I'll be teaching you a new crude oil intraday trading strategy. Okay, so for this, we will not be using any indicators. This will be very easy strategy, and for this, we'll be using 1 hour candle chart. Okay. Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be teaching you a new crude oil intraday trading strategy. Okay, so for this we will not be using any indicators. This will be very easy strategy, and for this we'll be using 1 hour candle chart. Okay, so I'll be telling you what is the target and stop loss you need to keep and everything. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this strategy. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blog spot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So a lot of people got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this, you can join us now. Once you join, you'll be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. So a lot of people who have joined us are now seeing improvement in their trading, and now they are learning how they can make constant profit in intraday trading. Okay, so you can go through all of this earning proof and feedback messages if you guys are interested and motivated to make constant profit, and if you guys wish to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. Okay, if you're a beginner to the stock market trading, I'll be teaching you from the basics to make you earn constant profit, and also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. Once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you my 95% accuracy unique strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks and everything, and also I'll be teaching you a good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be teaching you a very good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's discuss about the strategy itself. So for this strategy, we'll be using 1 hour candle chart. Okay, and this is a strategy to trade at evening, that is at 8 o'clock. Okay, so as you can see, the time is in 24-hour format, so we'll be considering the 8 o'clock as 20th hour. Okay, so now what you should do is you should mark the high and low of the 19th hour candle, that is 7 o'clock. Okay, so the 7 o'clock candle closes at 8 o'clock, so once that closes, you have to mark the high and low of the candle, okay, of the 19th hour candle. So once it's completed at 8 o'clock, you just need to check the crude oil chart and mark the high and low of it. Okay, so once you mark the high and low of the 19th hour candle chart, once it's completed, what you should do is, if it breaks the high, you will buy it. If it breaks the low, you will sell it. Okay, and you'll keep the target and stop loss of 10 points, or if you want to do 1:2 risk reward ratio, you can keep 15 points target and 7 or 8 points as a stop loss. Okay, so this strategy is working very decently. Okay, it has a decent amount of accuracy, and this is a strategy to trade at evening only. But if you guys want to learn 90 to 95% accuracy unique strategies and to trade in any time of the day, you can join my course. In my course, I'll be teaching you a better strategy. So now let me teach you this strategy. Okay, so once you mark the 19th hour high and low, if the crude oil breaks the high of this 19th hour candle, you will buy, and if the crude oil breaks that 19th hour candle low, you will sell. Okay, so here for example 4596 was a high. Okay, now let's consider our target is 10 points, and let's see if it has met the 10 points. Okay, so as you can see, it went till 4613 and our target has been met. Almost 15 points target is also met. So now let's come to the next day. Okay, so let me just remove the lines and come to the next day. So here is a chart of the next day, that is 23rd of April. So 19th hour candle is this one. So the high is 4642 and the low is 4614. So let's mark the high and low both the side. As you can see, the clearly the crude oil went up and broke the high. So the high was 4642 and after it broke it went till 4666. The target was easily achieved there. Okay, and now let's come to the next day, that is 24th of April. So 19th hour candle chart. So here is it. So high and low. So as you can see, high is 4657 and the low is 4643. And here as you can see, our stop loss has hit. Okay, so 4657, the target was 4667 if you are kept for 10 points, but as you can see it went till only till 4665. Okay, only the 2 points target has been missed. But if your stop loss has hit and if you have taken again a trade for the sell side, that is sell at 4643 below this, thus the crude oil went till 4611, so your loss would have been recovered here if you have traded again. Okay, so now let's come to the next day, that is 25th, 19th hour candle. So here is it, high and low. So here as you can see there was no movement on that day, so the low just got triggered and the crude oil was stuck there only, so no profit, no loss. So let's go to the next day, that is 26th. So 19th hour candle chart, here is it. High is 4513 and the low is 4416. And now let's see what happens. So now the low has broke and it fell till 4364. Okay, and our target was achieved here. And now let's come to the next day, that is 30th. Now the 19th hour candle is this one. The low is 4457 and the high is 4484. So let's mark it. As you can see, the low got broke and it went till 4426. Okay, and our target was achieved. And don't use this strategy when there is a evening session opening only, that is when it opens at 6 o'clock in the evening or 5 o'clock in the evening. So don't try that on that time. So only use this strategy when there is a full day market is running. Okay, and for safety purpose don't use it on inventory days. Okay, so this is a very simple and good, which is you can use it very simply. Okay, so you don't have to use any indicators. This is very simple strategy. You just need to use 1 hour candle chart and mark the high and low of the 19th hour candle, that is 7 o'clock. Okay, and once it's completed at 8 o'clock you will place your orders. Okay, if it's breaking the high you will buy, if it's breaking low you will sell. Okay, so as you can see the target is almost achieving almost all the days and it's very working good. So you guys can just practice this strategy and let me know what you're feeling about this strategy. And also if you guys want to run more unique strategies and more accurate strategy, up to 90 to 95% accuracy strategy, which will help you to make money constantly in trading, you can join my course. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit I made on what stock I traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to make constant money like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.